acting stupid.
Welcome to Vee-ology. 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 Hey, Vee-ology. Vee-ology.
Hi guys, welcome to Vee-ology. So today I am bringing you into my local Lowe's, and inside Lowe's I'm going to show you what section you can go into to find the products to do a stove cover. So guys, this is your ceramic area, and that is the piece that I do have. And if you can see, it was $2, $1.98 plus tax. So guys, in this area there are so many different pieces that you can use, and it is so many different varieties of colors. So as we go along, I'm going to show you what a pattern that you can use if you are doing farmhouse or black and white. Here I am showing you the bars. This if you choose to have a surrounding around your tray a stove cover, you can, and this is an excellent pieces to use, and also it is in your ceramic area. So these are the cheapest ones I saw. They were black, white, and I like a cream white. Okay, this is a sample of black and white, and I think black and white is just so classy and elegant. But the pieces that I'm showing you here, this is the white where you can add around your edges, and also this is the black. They do also have the gray, but I want to show you black and white because of course it's black and white. This is a handle, but guys, this is a handle that you will not use. So Lowe's have a huge variety of handles, and what you want to do, because your stove is wide, you need to get the widest cover. So like this one is perfect, but when it comes down to putting your hand in there, if you have bigger hands, this would not do. So I did find this one, and it is a perfect fit and is beautiful on this black and white. So this one was $7.98, and of course you would need two. So guys, this is just an example of what you can purchase to do this, because see, I'm in Lowe's and there are so much of different material that you can use, and yeah, and adding your handles. This is just what I would purchase if I'm doing it. And of course guys, oh, this is what I have on my stove right now, and I'm still loving this color, but this is absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit more work, but this is what I would use if I was turning all the way black and white. So I want to come in Lowe's and show you what you can purchase to do this. So now the next clip is going to be me showing you how I did mine with just the long pieces like this, and mine, I don't have my handles on it yet, so I am going to add my handles on it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to add my handles on it. But if you want the pieces like this, they are smaller, but you do have to have wood on the bottom to support. Use a liquid nail. You hear them working on the other side, I'm sorry. And also what's vital is handles, and because of the dimension of your stove, you're going to need the largest handles basically that they have. So yeah, so that one been absolutely so pretty, but I am going to show you how I did the one that I have in my house now. So I got to get some new handles for mine, so we're going to go back over to the handles. Okay, bye. As I was telling you, handles are very important for your tray, but making sure they are the right size is very important. So see, I was looking at this one. I absolutely love that clear, but it is absolutely too small. So I was looking and looking and looking till I just decided that I know where I had to go, and that was the much larger one. So I absolutely love this clear with that touch of silver. I absolutely love that. This one, of course, the handle was perfect, but it's absolutely too small. So this is the area you need to be in if you decide that you want to do this, because the handles need to be as wide as possible. So this one I scored. I found it for $4.98. These are the items that you will need: a piece of granite or slate, definitely a handle, and this one is a square bar handle, and it is in silver. Here is the code, and just in case you need it: square bar pull, and a granilla glue. Any type of good supported glue is definitely good. So here I am measuring, making sure that it will be even on both sides. And see already, guys, it is so pretty, but it is a must that you put some good supported glue on it. And here I am putting my glue on, making sure that it is on real good. And here I am making sure it is centered the right place.
So take me on a trip, nah, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Now what you want to do is make sure you clean up all of your mess, and you will see, yes, I have a little bit over spillage here and some here. So what you definitely want to do is clean it up. Here is after I clean it all up. You will still see some glue because it is wet. And here I have cleaned up my sides. And the next thing is, guys, to let it sit to 3 to 4 hours. And in my household, yes, I had to do a sign: do not touch, handles are wet. So 3 hours later, guys, let's move everything and do our test. So, okay, it's not moving. I'm lifting, and guys, it is done. So this is just the simple way that you can make a stove cover. And you can call it a vignette because, guys, we're going to style this. So let's get into styling. I have this beautiful black and white that I'm adding on my stove, and I'm loving it. This is my color for the fall, and this is my tray. So guys, hopefully you did enjoy my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until the next time, guys, gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, bye.
Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're done. It's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young. I know we're acting stupid. Maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, nah, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid,